5 AI automations every small business needs in 2026. Most small businesses are losing money every single day and they don't even realize it. Missed calls, slow follow ups, manual work, every one of those is a lost opportunity. And the businesses using AI right now, they're capturing all of it. Here are 5 AI automations that fix this starting today. Number 1, missed call, text back. Let's say someone calls your business and you don't answer. Normally that lead is gone. They move on to the next company. But with AI, they instantly get a text that says something like, "Hey, sorry we missed your call. How can we help?" Now, instead of losing that lead, you've turned it into a live conversation, even though you never picked up the phone. Number 2, AI voice agents. This is like having a full-time receptionist that never sleeps. It answers calls, responds to questions, qualifies the customer, and can even book appointments directly into your calendar. Nights, weekends, holidays, it doesn't matter. You're always available, even when you're not. Number 3, instant lead response. Someone fills out a form on your website. What usually happens? You respond hours later, maybe the next day. By then, they've already contacted 3 other businesses. With AI, they get a response in seconds, text, email, even a call. And that speed alone can double or even triple your conversions. Number 4, database re-engagement. Most businesses are sitting on hundreds or thousands of old leads they never followed up with. AI can go back, reach out to all of them automatically, and restart those conversations. Deals you thought were dead suddenly come back to life without you lifting a finger. Number 5, review automation. After you complete a job, AI automatically sends a message asking for a review. More reviews means higher rankings on Google, which means more inbound leads. It's one of the easiest ways to grow, but almost no one does it consistently. This is how businesses are scaling right now, not by working more, but by automating what matters. Faster response, more leads, less manual work. If you want this setup for your business, not just explained, go to aiatoz.com. Don't fall behind. I have included a high-level affiliate link in the description. High Level is an easy way to add these automations into your business.